So guys, we are going to start our video here. I want us to start by preparing our dinner. And this is what I am preparing. I'm preparing those 2 containers of beans. And yeah, this is what I'll be using. Some carrots and capsicum. Here we don't eat crunchy ones, so that's why I've just decided to mix them together. I have my blended tomatoes. I prefer blending my tomatoes nowadays. Then I have my onions here, and I have some dania stalks below them. I think you can see them. Then I have this dania, and of course the only 2 spices I use mostly in this house, the paprikas and a royco cube, 1 piece. Yeah, so without so much ado, let's begin the cooking. We are going to be eating it with the beans with some white rice. Yep. Thereafter, we're going to prepare some mandazis for breakfast. So make sure you stick around.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle.
Nowadays, I just usually fry my beans in the simplest way. Initially, I used to add some coconut milk, but I realized my baby doesn't love it. Yeah, so I decided to just do away with it. Nowadays, if I only need to add anything, maybe some water, and that is usually it with the beans. On the other hand, for my rice, I normally boil it with some garlic. I first fry the garlics a little bit because I realized that there's some magic taste when you just fry the garlic. Yeah, when you fry it, then boil the rice, it normally have some amazing taste. Maybe you could try it. So for the beans, I normally love using paprika and maybe some royco cube, yeah, because it gives it another amazing taste. Yeah, and that will be it with the frying. After this has boiled a little bit, I will of course add the beans, and lastly I will just come in with my dania and garnish.
We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. We don't need no miracle.
So I decided to clear up the sink so that I would have a clean counter space as I was preparing the mandazis. And after cleaning utensils, I just prepared the dough off camera. Yeah, then the last thing I did was of course preparing some mandazis for breakfast, because the following day I was leaving for work very early and I wanted to leave everyone sorted as I left the house. I need to apologize about the bad lighting. I don't know what happened to my camera at this point. And at night, I think it has the best camera in the kitchen. I don't know what suddenly happened, but I will look into the settings. Yeah, so this is finally what we had for our dinner. Yeah, the last thing I did was just garnishing my beans with this coriander. And let me tell you guys, it was really, really yummy.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle. Need a Oh, you open up a world behind the stars. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. We don't need a
Yeah, during the cooking, I prefer placing my mandazis on a foil, and I just realized that I didn't have one. I had to improvise mine, and that is a paper, flour paper. Yeah, so I had to use that because I didn't have a foil. Since I learned how to make mandazis, I've just been finding it interesting, and I think the next thing I need to learn how to do is to bake. Yeah, I'm soon going to get some baking items like the baking trays, and I'm going to come and try it out here. Yeah. case you have watched up to this point, may God bless you. Thank you for sparing your time to just come and catch up with my content. I don't take it for granted, guys.
I'm in a tropic club.
That was the outcome, guys. Bye bye, and let me see you in my next one.
We didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to